Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about Dusk token, legit or scam. Before buying this token, do your own research and let's get started. This is a regulated and decentralized finance platform collab with Coindesk Crypto and Forbes. This is our popular platform. If I go to this website, as you can see here, you can read all this term and conditions on this website. Productized and profitable smart contract, tokenized, governed by privacy contracts. This is the website. You can scroll down, check all this data on this website. This holders, as you can see here, the price of this token $0.10, total supply 500 million of this token, max supply 1 billion of Disk token. This token listed on Binance, Bitgate, KuCoins, and Albank popular platform. The bullish is 87%. If I go to Etherscan, just a wait, I see the holders is almost 20,000 member, a huge member of the holders with a lot of transfer and volume transaction. This is also good inside to check here. I see a lot of volume here. This is good indicator. So friends, this is allocation of tokenomics. Unlocked is 56%, locked 43%. This is a distribution of this token. Anyway, friends, before investing on this token, make sure do your own research. Top 10 is 78% with a lot of engaging here on this community. This is good insight and good indicator. Anyway, friends, before take any action, do your own research. I give this token 6 on 10 and this is not financial advice. Collab with Bybit, KuCoin and Binance.